And just looking into her eyes, you can see that she's as focused as ever for this one.
Keeping her head on a swivel and her eyes on the prize. That's what this business is all about, Cole.
She knows just how important a win in this one could be, and she's going to keep that in mind here.
But she'll have to maintain her composure as she's going up against a woman with a penchant.
The early cover. That's too soon. And she gets a quick kick out.
She still has her expelling unnecessary energy with that attempt.
Caught in a bad position here.
Dropped right on their face.
Heads outside, but this one has to end in the ring. Bad predicament right here.
Ooh, pinpointing the trachea.
Jumping elbow drop.
Oh, yeah, she is really showing her confidence.
Things taking a turn for her now.
Yeah, but too soon to be worried.
And she continues to take on an overbearing offense.
She just has to find a spark somehow.
Oh, meet the backside of an elbow.
And over the top into a rough landing. Looks like they do not want them inside the ring anymore. Time to venture outside the ropes.
Oh, man, by the hair.
Hair whip! Was definitely not thinking about finesse with that one. Was only thinking about dominance.
And that definitely made solid impact.
Lands the knee.
Look at her grabbing the momentum here.
Dictating the pace of the match now.
Headed to the top now. She's trying so desperately to get back up to her feet. From way up, diving double axe handle. Buster.
That is it.
Looking for the victory. 2. And that'll about do it, folks.
Here is your winner, Holly Jade.
Quite the win for her here.
Never a doubt, barely a moment's suspense. This one was about as lopsided as they come.